Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdraw number 65 from this light and stable platform ELUSDT.com. If you want to register, put your email here and your password here, repeat the password and the password again and again, and put your number, Telegram number, WhatsApp, and click register. If you have account in this light platform, directly click login, you log in directly to the platform. Like we see everyone, this is my account in this light platform. My active deposit in this light platform 31 USDT, and I have this number in commission fee. If you want to know info about the investment plan VIP from here, and if you want to recharge from here, and if you want to withdraw from here, and if you want to know info about the rewards on the platform from here, I'll explain how VIP is this light platform. If you deposit from 10 USDT to this number, will they withdraw 6%, and if you deposit from this number to this number, will they withdraw 7%, everyone. And if you deposit from this number to this number, will they withdraw 8%, everyone. And all this VIP, everyone. There are VIP 10 years daily withdraw 55% if you deposit this number. I'll explain how to recharge this light. Copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance, and send the money to this address TRC20. After you send the money, click recharge completed. Minimum deposit 10 USDT and TRX 130. You can deposit with USDT or TRX. I'll explain how to withdraw. When you want to withdraw, put the amount here and address wallet TRC20 and the password and click choose. Minimum withdraw in USDT 0.6 everyone, and in TRX 5 TRX. You can withdraw with TRX or USDT. I will withdraw with USDT everyone. I will put the amount and show you. After I put the amount and address wallet TRC and the password, I click show. The withdrawal successful. The withdrawal will arrive in 1 second in this light platform. Watch that. Like you see, the withdrawal arrived in 1 second ago. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like ELUSDT. And you will see link to register and withdraw the platform in the comment description. Put like and subscribe my YouTube channel so I can learn you about the platform. Deposit and active your daily income. Good luck everyone.